Yo mnaenda mange ngo kwarigania eriombe kingo kumanya senchira y'obwikiranu omugavana mochore be county ya Nyamira Amos Kimwomi Nyaribo hamwe n'umukonyo ye Dr. James Ondicho Gesamini go batiani wabene eri guchaka obokoreri ase county ya Nyamira ukwana chinga kiekyo Amos Nyaribo nigabaga gwakangambye mono asali ira yo guchawikirania amagendro yo gonchoreria e county ya Nyamira muri keito job manki norbato rwaso obwikiranu
without fear, favor, affection or ill will. So help me God.
Omugavana we county Nyamira Amos Nyaribo n'omukonyo ye Dr. James Gesami mbachaka esabali yoko bakolera bamenyi be county Nyamira emeremo ekero baba bagotianigwa asegeti yesukuru yoboroso ya Nyamira.
I shall always truly and diligently serve the people and the Republic of Kenya. So help me God.
Amos Nyaribo, congratulations.
Omugavana we county Nyamira Amos Nyaribo nairaneli abamenyi be county Nyamira mbuya mono ase okobachora asobochori obonene.
Chinguru mwangere ne cheno. Njenkoba omosombo ino.
Ase arwa irago chikoba kolera abamenyi be county Nyamira emeremo nakobara atabwati obwanchereri bonde bwonsi.
Creation of new jobs annually to facilitate our farmers and entrepreneurs to maximize the benefits from the industrial park. My government will promote financial inclusion through establishment of financial schemes and circles.
Omokonyo ye Dr. James Gesami narwa eirago chikomosira elinde bakini ekerengo ge county ya Nyamira.
Thank the great people of Nyamira for electing us, Your Excellency, and promise that we shall serve them to the best of our abilities.
Abarayi bande baikirana sense meyo mbarwa eirago chikomubwatisia elinde aikiranie eganga yaye.
Kwa hivyo Gavana, pongezi na tunakuombea Mwenyezi Mungu awe nawe akuongoze.
Hujue ya kwamba leo yale yote ambao watu walikuwa wanangojea wataanza leo kukuuliza.
We were elected the same day by the same voters who are seated here today. Kwa hivyo ndugu yangu Amos, Daktari Gesami, tunaombea mema.
And on behalf of the people of West Mugirango, I want to thank you, Your Excellency Governor, for picking a deputy governor from West Mugirango.
Igo nabo amangana bagakoba ase obotianigwa kumugavana Amos Nyaribo ase arwa eirago chikokolera abamenyi be county Nyamira emeremo kurwa ase county Nyamira kinko reporter ya Ndizi TV Joba Maangi.